Welcome to the Klein ISD family. This video briefly explains employee benefits available to you. For more in-depth information, visit either KNET or kleinisd.net. All employees are eligible for benefits on the first day of the month following the first day worked. Persons eligible for coverage are employees in a permanent status as defined by the employer and are regularly scheduled to work at least 20 hours per week. If an employee's enrollment is not completed through the Benefits Hub within 30 days of the employee's date of hire, the employee will be eligible to receive basic life benefits only. This presentation covers the following topics. Online enrollment. It's very important that you enroll online immediately. A good time to consider enrolling might be as soon as you listen to this presentation or before you start your first day of work. Even if you don't wish to sign up for any benefits, you still must sign up online because a beneficiary is needed for the free basic life insurance. Make sure to review your benefit options in advance. Reference sources are available at the following locations. If you're on the district's network, go to KNET and click the Benefits Hub link under Quick Links. If you're not on the district's network, go to kleinisd.net/benefits and click the Benefits Hub link. Your username is the first 6 characters of your last name, followed by the first letter of your first name, followed by the last 4 digits of your Social Security number. Your password is your last name excluding punctuations, followed by the last 4 digits of your Social Security number. You are now ready to begin the enrollment process. You'll have the opportunity to waive or elect each of the benefits offered. Save your elections by clicking Save and Continue at the bottom of each page. If you're unable to complete your enrollment elections in one sitting, just close the browser and return later to the online enrollment link. Either print your summary of elections or keep an electronic copy to compare with your payroll deductions for accuracy. Make sure to notify the benefits office immediately if you find a discrepancy with your summary of elections. Section 125 Plan. The IRS-approved Section 125 plan allows you to pay your insurance premiums on a pre-tax basis. By choosing to use before-tax dollars, an employee can reduce federal taxable income by the amount paid on premiums. The IRS has strict rules governing this plan. Other than during annual enrollment, you cannot make any changes to any benefits that you're paying for through the Section 125 plan for the calendar year unless you experience a change in status or a qualified event. The Klein ISD benefit program follows these rules for all employees regardless of elections. Make sure to call the benefits office prior to making any changes. Group life insurance. Klein ISD's term life insurance program is through Aetna Life Insurance Company. Every eligible employee is provided with $10,000 in term life coverage and an additional $10,000 of accidental death and personal loss coverage at no charge to you. Because of this, you must go online and provide a beneficiary. As a new hire, you may elect additional group term life insurance, which also includes an additional equal volume of accidental death and personal loss coverage. This is available in increments of $10,000 up to 7 times your annual salary or $500,000, whichever is lower. During your initial enrollment period, there's a guaranteed issue amount of $300,000 or 5 times salary. That means you can elect up to that amount without answering medical questions. Any coverage above $300,000 will require you to complete an evidence of insurability form. Existing employees may elect from $10,000 up to $500,000 or 7 times your annual pay, whichever is lower. If you are an existing employee and currently enrolled in the supplemental life plan, you may increase your coverage by $10,000 without answering health questions. If you're an existing employee but enrolling for the first time or electing an amount over the $300,000, you'll need to complete an EOI. You also have the option to elect additional group term life insurance on your spouse, which also includes an additional equal volume of accidental death and personal loss coverage. During annual open enrollment, existing employees with current spouse coverage may increase by $10,000 up to $30,000. Please keep in mind that under this plan, a spouse who is also an employee of the district cannot be covered as a dependent. You may also elect to cover the lives of your children. The amounts of coverage are $5,000 or $10,000 for each eligible child, which also includes an additional equal volume of AD and PL. Medical insurance. Klein ISD has several major medical plans available for employees. Most employees that elect to have medical insurance select TRS Active Care administered by Aetna. Please note that part-time employees are eligible for TRS Active Care Medical Plan, but they must pay the entire premium set by TRS. Retirees that are rehired and working more than 20 hours per week are considered full-time and therefore eligible for all benefits except TRS Active Care medical coverage. TRS Active Care 1 HD and Active Care 2 plans utilize the Aetna Open Access Choice POS2 network, which works very much like a PPO. TRS Active Care Select, however, is a network-only plan similar to a traditional HMO and utilizes the Aetna Select Open Access network. If you're planning on enrolling in the Active Care Select plan, it's important to make sure that your provider is in-network. The prescription drug program is managed by CVS Caremark. You can obtain your medications by going to a network pharmacy or by using mail order. If you go to a network pharmacy, you'll be able to get up to a 31-day supply of your medication. You may obtain a 90-day supply by using mail order. Dental insurance. Klein has two dental plans from which to choose, dental DHMO or dental PPO. Under the DHMO plan, you must choose a primary care dentist from the DHMO network. This plan generally offers the highest benefit levels and the lowest out-of-pocket expenses. Dental PPO allows you to visit any dentist. Although you may go to any dentist under this plan, employees are encouraged to use dentists in the dental PPO network. VSP Vision Plan. The carrier for the Vision Care program is VSP Vision. The Vision Plan includes a comprehensive vision exam once every plan year from a network provider for a $15 copay. A $30 materials copay will apply for the purchase of eyeglasses, lenses and frames, or contacts in lieu of eyeglasses. To find a list of in-network providers, visit the website at myuhcvision.com. Cancer and specified disease. While the Klein ISD medical plans do cover treatment related to cancer, patients often incur substantial out-of-pocket expenses due to extended treatments, lost wages, and travel expenses. The cancer and specified disease coverage through Allstate Cancer Plan is a supplemental plan that pays benefits directly to you. You may also elect to cover your family. This plan includes a wellness benefit and pays you $100 per year for getting an annual mammogram, pap smear, chest x-ray, PSA, or other covered routine wellness exam. If you leave Klein ISD, you can elect to keep the coverage. When enrolling online, a separate application that includes a medical questionnaire must be completed and sent to the Klein ISD Benefits Office. Disability insurance. Klein ISD's disability insurance, which is through the Hartford, is a salary protection plan that insures up to 66 2/3% of an employee's salary if he or she is unable to work for any reason due to illness or accident. An employee can select the monthly benefit amount and elimination period that best fits their needs. An employee may select a monthly benefit starting at a minimum of $200 up to 2/3 of his or her monthly earnings to a maximum monthly benefit of $7,500. The elimination period is defined as the length of time of continuous disability due to a covered sickness or injury, which must be satisfied before you're eligible to receive benefits. If you elect an elimination period of 14 or 30 days, the elimination period is waived upon hospital confinement. Your enrollment for disability insurance is not subject to medical underwriting, however, the pre-existing condition limitation will still apply. Group Legal Plan. A prepaid legal membership gives you access to quality legal advice for a monthly fee. This plan is available to the employee, their spouse, and their dependent children up to the age of 21. The plan covers a variety of situations that people often find themselves in but don't know where to turn. From real estate to divorce advice, no matter how traumatic or trivial, Legal Shield has your rights covered. You'll also have the opportunity to buy the additional Identity Theft Protection Rider for a low monthly cost. Identity Theft Shield will cover you and your spouse by continuously monitoring your credit, and if your identity is stolen, the experts will take the necessary steps to restore your good name and credit for you. Flexible Spending Account. There are two types of flexible spending accounts that are available to help employees save on income taxes by allowing you to use pre-tax dollars for certain eligible medical expenses and dependent daycare expenses. The plan year for district flexible spending accounts or health savings accounts begins September 1st. An employee who elects a Klein ISD TRS Active Care Medical Plan as of September 1st will receive $300 in an FSA account. Remember, the rules regarding flexible spending accounts have recently changed. FSA contributions, whether contributed by the district or the employee, if not used by the end of the plan year, August 31st, will roll over to the next plan year, up to the amount of $500. Because of the structure of the federal rules, if you are also enrolled in HSA, you'll need to contact the Klein ISD Benefits Department to discuss your options. Retention and Sick Leave Program. The district will contribute funds to a 401A tax-deferred trust account each year for every employee who meets the criteria for the Retention and Sick Leave Program. This annual program begins September 1st and ends each August 31st. Under this program, Klein ISD will pay you money if you meet the following requirements. Then you qualify to receive the following from Klein ISD. Accumulated Retiree Reimbursement Plan. Upon retirement from Klein ISD, an eligible employee shall be entitled to reimbursement for an unlimited amount of unused state personal leave days, state sick leave, or local sick leave days. With individual retirement plans, you can start, stop, or change your contributions at any time. Each plan has an administrator who handles enrollment, changes, and has authorization for employer signatures. The law allows you to participate in one or both retirement plans. Don't wait, get started now. Remember, more in-depth information can be found on KNET or kleinisd.net. Please refer to your Klein ISD Employee Benefits booklet for frequently asked questions, customer service numbers and websites, Klein ISD Benefits Department contacts, or the Benefit Contact Secretary on your campus. We hope the information reviewed has been helpful when making important decisions concerning your employment benefits. Thank you and welcome to Klein ISD.